Good afternoon, y'all. Today we're talking about printing strings and comments. I already have the code set up. I just want to talk to you guys. Just go over the comments that I left here. Um, First off, a string is a sequence of characters, right? That includes letters, numbers, punctuation, spaces, etc., going down the whole line. A string is also a data type. For example, right here, in parentheses and quotes, we have, "Hey mom, can we go to the mall? My friends want me to meet them there, well, at 4 p.m." Right? So that's just a combination of words and letters, all in a string with quotes around, so that can work in the code, quotes and parentheses, right? Very simple. Another example, your mom's very nice. She gave me, so you can use decimal points as well in your string. Once again, just quotes and parentheses, and anything can go in here. Printing is a function in Python that will print the result in the console. It will be something like this, right? Printing is an output function. For example, input variable printing, right? So that's this part right here. What is your name? If I put my name, right, press enter, it will say hello Jaden, as I told it to. Print hello, comma, my name. So my name is a variable, right? So I told this variable to take my input, right? So my variable, my name, is equal to my input to this question, this string right here, right? So it's very simple, honestly. Your variable is equal to whatever you say, which is your input, to this question. And then it's gonna print that. It's gonna print hello, right? Hello first. Then there's gonna be a space, which is this comma and then the space, and then whatever the input was, because your variable is your input. So very simple printing. Static variable printing. It's basically you make your variable, you put your variable there, and it's equal to one thing. It's not taking input. It's not taking none of that. It will just be print, and whatever you put into your code, that's what it is. Not in your console, right? It will just be like, I can only change the result in the Python code. I just wanted to just run it again. Jaden. It now, like, whatever it will be what I put into the Python code, as you can see. Right? So that's what I call static variable printing. That means it stays the same as long as your variable is what it is in your code. Nothing can be changed for that in the console. Right? And then constant printing. That's no variables. It's just straight up printing. Very simple. You print with your string right here. You print parentheses and parentheses and quotes. Hey mom, can we go to the mall? It's a question. This is your string. Simple print function. Very easy. Now input printing with variables. That's a little bit more difficult, right? If and else statements can be used or not. I use this as, I guess, an extra to show you guys. I think we're going to talk about if and else a little bit deeper when we get into our functions part. That's when we make our final function. I'm going to talk about if and else statements while I'm talking about the function that we make in our final video. Now our yes or no, right? That's a variable that I made. It's equal to the input of this question. Hey mom, can we go to the mall? So whatever my response is to this question will determine the output. It can be either yes sir, okay, I'll let them know, right? Or okay, I guess I'll tell them I can't go with this, this face. That's how I'll be looking, right? So let's just say I already have it here. Okay. Hey mom, can we go to the mall, right? Mom says no. I'm mad. So okay, I guess I'll tell him I can't go then, you know? But, no, I just friend again. My name's Jaden, you know? And if I said yes, right? Yes, sir. Okay, I'll let them know. But, like, you see, like, the input, right? These if and else statement, these if or if else or if elif, whatever. See, like, if I would have typed that as yes with a capital Y, let me see. Hold on. Can I type, please? Capital Y. Nothing happens because of the quotes. Quotes will make everything exact. Everything needs to be exact. If your code says yes with a capital Y, it has to have a capital Y in order to work correctly. Unless you, especially if it's if. If has no, is very limited. It's either one answer or the other answer. And those answers are in quotes, so you have to quote what the answer is, right? So it will be lowercase yes and your lowercase no. There's no other options. Unless, you know, I change it in the code. So it will be yes or no, like this. Right? So that's very simple. And one thing I want to show you guys. Hold on. With the static variable printing, right? Well, actually, this works with most printing, actually. So if I wanted to go, like, let's say I wanted to print only like a certain part of it, 0 to 3, right? I can print only that certain part with this ratio right here. I can print from the first to the third, right? So if I said Jaden, Jaden, blah 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 blah, right? Then just put enter. Sorry, it would only pick JAD because that's what I put. That's the first 3 letters, 3 characters. I mean, you know. So within, if I left this blank, there's no limit. So if let's just say oh shoot, typed a bunch of stuff, right? And hit enter, it would print the whole thing because I put no limits on there. But now if I were to leave the front blank, well, the front blank and this part, let's just say 7. Actually, let's go with 8, right? Right? It would print, you know, obviously everything. Whoa. Wait, hold on, sorry, it's not supposed to do that, actually. Very confused here. Oh, actually, no, I lied to you guys. You can't leave the front blank. Can't leave the front blank, guys. Wait, what's going on here? Oh my gosh, I'm doing it on the wrong part. What am I doing? Sorry, y'all. That's why I wasn't working correctly. Sorry, y'all. That's funny. Sorry, guys. Say we went to 4, right? Jaden doesn't like M&Ms. But no, I do. I'm lying to the computer. Right? I'll print the first 4 characters. Now, if I put no limit, right? If I put no ending limit at least, right? Then it'll continue. Now, if I put no ending limit and the starting limit, say 10, right? Starting limit of 10. You type a bunch of blah 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 blah, right? Then it would start at the 10th. It's kind of hard to see right now, but you know, it started at the 10th one. I'm just gonna say that. It started right here. Yep. And that's just what it would be. Pretty simple. And obviously if you leave them both blank, it's like there's no reason for it. Oh my gosh. Sorry. I had to handle that. Somebody was calling me. But yeah, hey mom, can we go to the mall? And then yes. Oh, well, see? All caps will basically just deny you. Alright. Hey mom, can we go to this mall? No. Okay, I guess. See, it's very simple, guys. Pretty easy, honestly. And then we'll go on to integers, get a little bit more into variables, integers, floats, variables, functions, you know, as we progress with this series of Python introductory videos. And you guys have a good one.